How to fix Roblox fail to connect to the game on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're having trouble connecting to a Roblox game on your Android device and see an error like fail to connect or connection attempt failed, this video will show you how to fix it. Since this is a connection issue, you have to start by checking your internet connection. So go ahead and check your Wi-Fi, and if it's not working, switch it to your mobile data and vice versa. After that, open your web browser. Type in Internet Speed Test on the search bar and search for it. Now tap on Run Speed Test. And if your internet is not working, run your speed test and observe. And if it's still not working, you can try enabling the airplane mode for 20 seconds and then turn it off. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data as mentioned before. And sometimes connection problems occurs when the Roblox server is down. So you can check the server status as well. So open your web browser again and search for Roblox server status. Tap on the first link that says Roblox status. And if it says up, there are no server issues. And if it says down, there is a problem with the server. And you can also check the page for more details. If there are no server issues, you can try the solution to remove software glitches from your Roblox app. For that, you need to open your device settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now, simply search for Roblox application. Once you find it, tap on it and then scroll down and go to storage. From here, click on clear cache, and you can also try clearing the data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. Now go ahead and tap on permissions and enable files and media and choose allow. You can also enable the location and choose allow as well. After that, go back and scroll down to battery that you will find between your mobile data and storage. Make sure that it is set to unrestricted. And finally, check for update on Roblox. For that, open your Play Store, search for Roblox application. And if you see an update button instead of play, something like this, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. And after following the simple steps, I hope that your problem will be solved. So this was all about it. Please leave a comment below if you are still having issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.